Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we are talking about how to embed YouTube videos in WordPress. Why would you want to know how to embed YouTube videos in WordPress? Well, maybe it is your first time using WordPress and not sure how to embed YouTube videos in WordPress. So today I am going to show you how to embed YouTube videos in WordPress. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Embedding YouTube videos in WordPress is quite simple and easy to do, and the process is same for all devices. Let me show how you will embed YouTube videos in WordPress. First of all, open WordPress in your Chrome browser, and now here is my WordPress home screen. And then move your mouse cursor to post in the left menu, and then click on Add New. Now in this screen, first enter your posts and click on Add Blog and search YouTube and click on it. Now copy a YouTube video link that you want to embed and then paste your URL here and click on embed and wait for few seconds for embedding your video and then click on publish. So there you go. If you were wondering how to embed YouTube videos in WordPress, that is the easiest way I know. If you know another way, please leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.